So here we have the BMW 320i on a 10 plate. So I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see that it's a 4-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot first of all, and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before climbing in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge, and on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 91,919. You can change the information that's displayed directly in that section by using the button on the end of the indicator stalk. Also in that section, you'll see that it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, and we are in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls available on both sides, and the stereo itself is over in the centre just here. It's currently turned off, so to turn it on, hit that button, which is also your volume control, of course, so you can adjust the volume when it turns on. Our audio menu will bring us to the tuner. So on the tuner there, we have our FM and AM radio with our CD player and auxiliary input as well. The menu button is where you can access your onboard computer. You can configure things like time and date settings, for example, on there as well. And then beneath that, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. If you wish to, you can hit auto. When you do that, the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Press auto again and you go back to whatever setting you had it on previously. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, a cigarette lighter or 12-volt charging socket, and some storage just there, and you can close this over, of course. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.